Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the Qinux WaterBlitz, a product that's been popping up all over the internet with bold claims. It's marketed as a high-pressure washer that turns your regular garden hose into a powerful cleaning tool. No electricity, no motor, just hydro-power technology. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, let's take a closer look. The WaterBlitz claims to boost your hose's water pressure by up to 15 times, allowing you to clean everything from patios and cars to tiles and furniture. But here's the thing. This kind of claim goes directly against basic physics. A garden hose is limited by your home's plumbing system and local water pressure. A simple metal or plastic nozzle can't magically multiply that pressure 15 times. What it can do is narrow the stream to make the water shoot out in a tighter spray, but that's not the same as actually increasing the pressure. It's a big difference, and it's misleading to suggest otherwise. Another claim they make is that this product saves water, energy, and effort. Again, this doesn't add up. High-pressure cleaning typically requires more water in less time to achieve that extra force. So without any smart technology or actual power source, it's highly doubtful that this device saves water or effort for that matter. If anything, you may end up using more water while expecting magical results. Now let's talk about the website itself. The layout and language are extremely similar to what we see on many dropshipping scam websites. Repetitive marketing phrases, vague tech jargon, and heavy emphasis on a 50% discount that never seems to expire. The product images and even the before and after photos used on their sales page are actually copied from other websites and stock image sources. This raises serious questions about the product's originality and quality. What's more alarming is the price. The Qinux WaterBlitz is being sold at a premium, but if you do a quick search on Amazon or AliExpress, you'll find the exact same or extremely similar nozzle attachments being sold for under $10. Some even have better reviews and more honest product descriptions. This isn't some revolutionary invention. It's a common hose nozzle being marketed with exaggerated promises to justify a much higher price tag. So, is the Qinux WaterBlitz a legit product or a scam? While it may technically work as a nozzle, it certainly doesn't live up to its bold marketing claims. It seems to be just another overpriced dropshipping product dressed up with flashy words and unrealistic promises. If you're thinking about buying it, I'd say don't fall for the hype. You can find similar or better tools for a fraction of the price, without all the misleading advertising.